I wish you could appreciate this video because it's very hard for me to film at the same time drive this mini quadcopter from SEMA. It's called X X4. So I'll show you the box and all and everything inside it later. So let's try to fly it. And just to remind everybody that this is my first time to fly a quadcopter, but because this quadcopter is a very docile quadcopter, so I was able to fly it a little bit, and I was able also to fly it at my knee level. Although I'm not going to fly it high at the moment because uh, I'm not really good at this, so I need too much and too many practice before I get the hang of this. So let's start. So I'll start low, then a little high. I hope it's still on the viewfinder of the video because I'm not good in controlling this yet, but I can make it higher, although you cannot see it. You might not see it in a video. Okay, let's start again. What I learned these days is how to turn, how to do the left and the right, and how to control my fingers uh, to make it higher, to make it fly higher, because it's very hard for a newbie like me. So forgive me because I'm just new with this. So I'll try to make it this higher this time. Oh my God. See? Ah, this is flying a quadcopter by a newbie. This is my quadcopter. Okay, the propeller has three. How do you call this one? I don't know how do you call this one, but the usual propeller has had two, but this one had three. So there are lights, red and blue, and then you can also see a front light, white front light, so that you can determine which one is front and which one is back while flying it. Uh, it has a battery underneath, so here is the battery. And the only thing that I don't like with this quadcopter is that you need to pull this one to turn it off. So what I did is I don't usually put it deeper, so just right just just right to make me pull it out quickly uh, without destroying the wire. So I already secured the wire with a thread because I was afraid that it will be pulled out of this. I don't know, this one is, how do you call this one? I don't know. I don't really know. I don't have any idea. So I make it sturdier by putting a thread. This is a nylon thread. I hope that it will become more uh, steady, or I hope it will make it stronger. So this is the only downside. Maybe the the manufacturer can provide us with a on and off switch so that I don't really need to pull and put it again, then pull it again. I'm afraid that I might destroy the wire. But flying it, it's very, very nice for a beginner like me. So let's see the box. So this is the box. It's what they called SEMA X4 Assault. So it's a quadcopter. I think it's available in different kind of color. There is a 360 version, and then 6 gyro axis, and then it includes a controller that needs 4 battery AA. It also includes a USB for charging the battery. The battery is already inside. It includes a 200 milliampere battery. It's a very small battery, but you can play with it at around 4 to 6 minutes without any problem. Then it also includes an instruction manual. Then luckily it's already in English and not in Chinese, because this is an original item and it's not generic. Okay, then it also includes a screwdriver and extra props. I love I love this quadcopter. For a beginner like me, it's quite easy to drive, and the protection of the props protection is very useful for a beginner like me, because more often uh, you might destroy the propeller whenever you bump it to a certain area especially I'm using it indoor. I cannot go outdoor more often because I have a work here, so this is a very nice practice quadcopter. But I guess you would not say that because the price is 2,999 and 75 cents. I bought it in Toy Kingdom Toy Kingdom at SM Bikutan. So it's not cheap because it's branded and it's not generic, but it's very sturdy. The build was very tough. You can bump it, you can maltreated it lightly, maybe not so much, and you will not be able to destroy it. So you will not be able to destroy it uh, that easily. The motors are also very sturdy, I guess, because it's located here. See, the usual motor is located up right here, but this one is different. See, then uh, the lights are also beautiful. I guess that's it. So I hope I will learn this. I will learn to fly this uh, outside soon. After learning it, after learning to fly it inside. Thank you.